Hi, my name is Rick, and in this video, I'll be showing you an example of how Reporting Workbench, or RWB, puts secure and reliable Excel Oracle reporting into your hands or into the hands of your users. Secure and reliable Excel Oracle reporting is powered by Reporting Workbench, the flagship reporting solution by Polaris Associates. In this video, we will take a look at the Excel reporting features offered by the solution, as well as a brief look at the simple process by which Excel workbooks are created. Here, you can see that I have an Excel workbook already created and placed on my desktop. When I open it, notice that there are multiple tabs included, which represent each report contained within this workbook. Which reports are included is completely up to you. We'll touch on that process a little later on. I'm sure you're also noticing that there's no data populated into this report. Let's take a walk through the process of using this powerful tool to your advantage. The Polaris-designed add-in is automatically included with each Excel workbook exported from the Reporting Workbench solution and requires no client-side installation. Clicking the Add-ins tab and then on the Polaris RWB add-in and finally on Download presents you with a login screen for Oracle EBS where you can enter your credentials. This is what allows the Reporting Workbench Excel Publisher solution to maintain EBS security even when outside of the EBS environment. You'll notice upon logging in that the tool will prompt you to select an available responsibility context. Again, this ensures that Oracle security setups are maintained and data isn't viewable to those without access to it. I'm going to choose a responsibility context and then click Next. The following screen contains details for the report associated with the Excel tab from which you launched the Polaris RWB add-in. Options for working with previously submitted versions of this report include canceling a report in progress, rerunning a selected report, deleting a previous request, and refreshing the requests list. Using the icons to the right, you can populate your Excel Workbook tab using the data from a previously run request with a single click. Beneath the requests list are report-specific parameters to help users filter the returned data. In this example, I'm going to use the defaulted parameters. There are two options for running any report, Run Now and Submit. Clicking the Submit button submits the report to the concurrent manager, returns a confirmation, and then, once the list is refreshed, appears in the requests list. To quickly fetch live data and include it directly into the Excel report, a user only needs to click the Run Now button to securely access the most up-to-date information directly within Excel. You'll notice my workbook is immediately populated with the most current information and is ready for analysis. From here, you can begin working in the familiar Excel environment with your live data. When you'd like to refresh the data, simply navigating back to the Polaris add-in and clicking the Run Now button again refreshes your workbook with the most current, up-to-date information available. Custom calculation columns can be included as well. In this example, I'll just drop in a custom calculation and apply it to the entire column. Now, when the data in the workbook is refreshed, these custom calculations will update with the live data and remain where you put them. This allows you to build a comprehensive analysis within Excel that survives data refreshes and always displays the most current information. Each tab is refreshed independently, so you never have to worry about a data refresh on one tab affecting other tabs that you may not yet be ready to refresh. Now that we've seen a Reporting Workbench generated Excel workbook in action, let's briefly take a moment to explore the straightforward process by which these workbooks are created. In the Excel Publisher portion of the RWB solution, you simply need to search for and select one or more reports you wish to include in a workbook. It's as simple as moving the reports from the Available Reports list into the Selected Reports list by either double-clicking or using the provided Move or Move All buttons. To remove reports from the selected list, simply double-click them or again use the provided buttons to remove or remove all. Once you've created a selection of reports that you wish to include in the Excel workbook, simply clicking the Publish button exports each of those reports into a single workbook as separate tabs, as we saw earlier. From here, data refreshes are as simple as using the aforementioned Polaris RWB add-in. The process is straightforward and easy to use, secure, reliable, and dynamic. Furthermore, the workbook generation process is a one-time effort. Once an Excel workbook has been created and saved, it is no longer necessary to utilize the Excel Publisher feature to access that data. You can store the Excel workbook wherever you'd like and refresh it at any time using the automatically included add-in. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. We'd also like to remind you that many other report consumption choices are available in addition to Excel. Here are a few examples. Should your needs ever move beyond that which Excel is capable of handling, Polaris Associates has you covered. Thanks. and have a great day.